for general or everyday use. ASAP, as soon as possible. ATM, automated teller machine. DIY, do it yourself. FAQ, frequently asked questions. ID, identification. PIN, personal identification number. RSVP, Respondes Silvos Plate, please respond, reply. DOB, date of birth. RIP, rest in peace. BRB, be right back, 2. For business and office. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. CFO, Chief Financial Officer. COO, Chief Operating Officer. HR, Human Resources. KPI, Key Performance Indicator. ROI, Return on Investment. B2B, Business to Business. B2C, Business to Consumer. MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. NDA, Non-Disclosure Agreement. 3. For Internet and Tech. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. IP, Internet Protocol. VPN, Virtual Private Network. PDF, Portable Document Format. USB, Universal Serial Bus. Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity. AI, Artificial Intelligence. IT, Information Technology. 4. For Education. GPA, Grade Point Average. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. Master of Arts. IELTS, International English Language Testing System. MSc, Master of Science. SAT, Scholastic Assessment Test. TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language. ESL, English as a Second Language. MBA, Master of Business Administration. CGPA, Cumulative Grade Point Average, 5. Slang, Chat Abbreviations. LOL, Laugh Out Loud. OMG, Oh my God. BTW, by the way. TMI, Too much information. FYI, for your information. IMO, in my opinion. IDK, I don't know. TBH, to be honest. SMH, shaking my head. FOMO, fear of missing out. 6. Medical and health. ICU, intensive care unit. ECG, electrocardiogram. ENT, ear, nose and throat. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. BMI, body mass index. OTC, over-the-counter. RX, prescription. ER, emergency room. BP, blood pressure. 7. Law and government. FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. CIA, Central Intelligence Agency. UN, United Nations. EU, European Union. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. IRS, Internal Revenue Service. NGO, Non-Governmental Organization. NDA, Non-Disclosure Agreement. DOJ, Department of Justice. WHO, World Health Organization. 8. Finance and banking. USD, United States dollar. GBP, Great British pound. AUD, Australian dollar. IPO, initial public offering. ETF, exchange traded fund. ATM, automated teller machine. FD, fixed deposit. EMI, equated monthly installment. APR, annual percentage rate. GDP, gross domestic product. 9. Travel and transport. ETA, estimated time of arrival. GPS, global positioning system. SUV, sports utility vehicle. EV, electric vehicle. DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles. ETA, estimated time of arrival. TSA, Transportation Security Administration. AC, air conditioning. AM, PM, anti-meridium, post-meridium. MPH, miles per hour, 10. Work and productivity. PTO, paid time off. WFH, work from home. TBA, to be announced. TBD, to be determined. COB, close of business. EOD, end of day. Ooh, out of office. ASAP, as soon as possible. FYI, for your information. ETA, estimated time of arrival.